Alright guys, this is actually the second day. I don't know if you can tell, but it is not raining. When I was picking up the bike yesterday, hey, we have GP shift now. I decided to do an extra mod, so how are you doing? Appreciate it, thank you. Yeah, radiator guards. It is switched to GP shift now. It's a little too low, but I guess I'll adjust it later. I don't know even how I can adjust it, to be honest, but I'll figure that out later. Hooked up the battery tender right here. You guys can see the cable. I don't know if you can see it. And the main thing that took a while, that's why I decided to leave it, is this piece right here. So this was the servo motor, and the cables, it was already disconnected, so the valve was open, so but it was like a big clunk of metal that was kind of really ugly, so pretty much took that off, and now that it's clean, just need to like polish it a little bit, clean it up. And yeah, I have a lot more parts coming in for it, hopefully soon. But yeah, I'm excited to modify it, even though it's super hard to modify and all that, as I said before. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for one of my friends, and then we're all gonna go riding. It said that it's not gonna rain, then it said that it's gonna be 100% chance of rain within like the next 30 minutes. So we'll see. We're like, whatever, it's gonna rain anyways. So we're like, whatever, let's go ride by the beach. And yeah, just enjoy the ride, cruise around. Found something new about this bike that I didn't know of. So you know how like most bikes have like a fuel gauge? This one has that, but also it not only has a fuel gauge, well, not really a fuel gauge, it doesn't have that, actually, scratch that. It has a fuel trip, which pretty much like the light comes on and it tells you like, oh, your fuel light has been on for like 1 mile or 2 miles whenever it starts, you know, turning on. But another thing that I found out about it is that it actually tells you how many miles you got left. So like when my light came on, it told me that I have like, I think 33 miles left or something like that, which is really cool. I've never seen that feature before, where like, you know, it tells you when you need gas when your fuel light comes on. That's really cool. Yeah, the technology on this bike is definitely like up there, honestly, like one of the best technologies that I've seen on like some of my bikes. Obviously I don't have enough seat time and all that on it to like fully tell you guys, but from what I've seen so far, it has a lot of like really cool, great technology. See, like I feel like the new BMW M1000 should have been more that color, more like kind of like green, acid-ish, not as yellow. But I'm also a little biased. I like green better than yellow, so it's a little bit of an unfair comparison. Yeah, sorry to disappoint you guys, but I saw a lot of like comments saying that I should be putting like a loud exhaust, blah blah, matching everything else, because you know all my bikes are obnoxiously loud. But I actually want this one to be kind of quiet, you know, like cops are really strict around this area, like by the beach. So taking one of my like regular bikes is almost like a guaranteed ticket, unless I run into no cops at all, you know what I mean? So it's kind of nice to have a bike that is like, when I'm cruising like this, it's pretty quiet, you know, it's only loud when I'm like on the throttle. And I don't know if you guys have heard it yet, probably not. If you haven't, you should follow me on Instagram, because I posted a little reel. This bike is actually like pretty loud for stock, because I did remove the servo motor, obviously, as I told you guys, so the valve, there is no valve anymore, so the valve technically it's always open, you know. So, and the bike sounds pretty good stock, in my opinion. It has like a nice raspy tone to it. By the way, I don't know if anybody noticed, probably not. Why would you guys notice? Because I'm like, you can't even see, but I am wearing my own merch, which I'm actually going to be giving away during, or gave away by the time you guys see this video, at my event, exclusive for just the meet, for the people that showed up. But I think I really like how the design came out, and the style and everything is very me. So we'll probably be doing like a proper like merch release with this shirt that I'm wearing right now. So yeah, comment down below if you're excited for some merch. people here always complain about loud exhaust, and they have actual signs. We'll see if we run into one of those signs. I'm pretty sure we will, where it says that loud exhaust will be cited. So that's why I plan on keeping this one not as loud. I will probably, I don't know, we'll see down the line. I might still do headers, because that way I can remove the cats and it's better airflow, which is, you know, like more power. So I might be doing that, just acro headers, and keep that acro big muffler. So for once I can have a bike that is not obnoxiously loud, and I can, yeah, literally, loud vehicles will be cited. That's exactly what I was talking about. But I miss doing those beach rides, so, you know, but having a bike that is not obnoxious, it would be definitely nice to ride around the beach. Raining, so there's so much dirt on the roads. Alright, squad made it, picked up bikes on the way. Just wanted to end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, please. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and ride safe. Bike's looking good.